Can we recover a permanently deleted Instagram account even after 30 days? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a permanently deleted Instagram account even after 30 days, or at least what you can try if you're locked out or your account was removed. So let's get started. First, a quick note. According to Instagram's policy, once you permanently delete your account, it's not supposed to be recoverable after 30 days. However, if your account was disabled, hacked, or removed by mistake, there's still a way to get it back even after that time frame. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and simply type in instagram.com/support. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. From there, simply tap on Manage Your Account. Go to the first one, which is signing up and getting started. Now, once you're there, scroll down a little bit and simply tap on No and click on Other. Once you do that, you'll be able to appeal a form to Instagram. Simply type in all the following things that I've written and just copy paste it. Also, you need to make sure that you have to enter your username and email so that they will be able to recover your account. Once you've done that, simply tap on Submit. And once you do that, Instagram will review your request and your account will be activated within 24 hours. And that's it. That's how you can simply recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days.